Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can access Netflix without paying a dime. Be sure to watch the full video, or you might miss out on this great opportunity. Let's dive in. So if I search for Netflix free trial and head over to Netflix's official site, you'll notice it says that Netflix no longer offers free trials. However, you can still switch your plan or cancel anytime you feel it's not the right fit for you. Now, if you're looking to get Netflix for free, try searching for T-Mobile free Netflix and visit this site. Before we continue, please note that this offer may only be available in select areas. If it's available where you are, you can confirm here and claim your subscription. Once on the page, just choose your region, and the steps to get your free Netflix subscription will be provided. That's how you can score Netflix for free. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.